In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Notion workspace name. If you want to rename your Notion workspace, the process is quick and straightforward. And you can do it directly from your workspace settings. This is useful if you are rebranding, updating the name of a team space, or just want something that fits your current setup a little better. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can make the change without any confusion. To begin, open Notion and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Near the top of that sidebar, you'll see an option called Settings and Members. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main settings area for your workspace, where you can manage different parts of your account and workspace configuration. Once the pop-up window appears, look for the Workspace section. Inside that section, select General. This is where Notion keeps the basic workspace details, including the name. If you don't immediately notice it, just take a second to scan the settings panel carefully, since the layout can feel a little busy if you are not used to it. After you are in the General section, find the text field under Name. This is the field that shows your current workspace name. Click into that box, delete the existing name if needed, and type in the new workspace name you want to use. As you enter the new name, it's a good idea to double-check the spelling and formatting, so it appears exactly the way you want it across your workspace. When you are happy with the new name, move down to the bottom of the window and click the Update button to save your changes. This confirms the rename and applies the new workspace name. After that, your updated workspace name should appear in Notion. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment or refresh the page, just to make sure the update has fully applied. And that's all it takes to change your Notion workspace name. As a quick tip, make sure you choose a name that's clear and recognizable, especially if the workspace is shared with other people, since that can make it easier to identify in a list of multiple workspaces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.